Okay, so we're going to be taking an assessment of your skin today, and then we will be doing whatever skincare regimen I find necessary, okay? Alright, good. Okay. Just going to take a quick look at some blemishes right on your skin. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and feel. For any inflammation or lymph node swelling. Okay. Very good. All right. I think it would benefit you if you did some type of lymphatic drainage. Commonly in our faces, we do get excess swelling and we have to drain them. So if you do something like a gusha, or that's probably not the proper way to say it, but that's how I say it. Or maybe you see a masseuse, something for a lymphatic drainage. So I'm going to go ahead and use this compressed sponge. First we'll get it wet. And then alright. So we're just going to start with a double cleanse. We want to get all that dirt off of your skin before we put any other product on, okay? And exfoliate all any dead cells or tissue or dirt. Okay. All right, for our second cleanse, we will use a toner mixed with water. So this will be a gentle toner, and it will just get all of that first cleanser off, as well as remove any dead cells that we missed. Let that dry. And let's see. I'm just going to measure a few of these blemishes before I start to put on your products, okay? Okay. Alright, so the first thing I like to start with is my favorite vitamin C from Claim. And this is going to brighten and moisturize the skin. Yes, so you definitely want to be adding a vitamin C to your regimen. It's really, really great, especially this one. I'm very picky about the products that I put on my skin, so this one smells great. It smells just like real oranges. It's got aloe vera in it. Just avoid getting it in your eyes or mouth. Okay, let that dry. Yeah, that one feels really nice and clean. One of my favorites. Okay, so next we are going to add some copper peptides. You don't need a lot of this because a little goes a long way. And this one actually has peptide strands in it, so adds extra peptides to your skin. And with this, you're just gonna press it in. And we'll give you a small sample of everything after. Or you're welcome to purchase the whole bottle of whichever products you prefer, okay? Alright. Okay. Yeah, so peptides actually can penetrate all the way down to the dermis. Very few things can make it that far. Most of our products will just go on the epidermis, but there are certain ones that can make it all the way down and really help wrinkles and moisture. Alright, now I'm just going to go in with some niacinamide. And niacinamide is going to help reduce your pore size, reduce any sebum production that is excessive, and it also helps to get rid of fine lines. So just gonna pat that in as well. Alright. Okay. And next we are going to use this sea kale hyaluronic acid complex. And this is going to firm, tone, soften, and smooth any distressed skin. So I do like to add quite a bit of hyaluronic acid on my skin because it just adds so much more moisture just your nose, under eye, but not too close. Alright, this is one of my new favorite products, so, this is Vaseline, right? Okay, it's kind of like an oil. You can either mix it with your moisturizer or just do a little couple drops right onto. I like to just add a few drops and put it into the spots that we start to lose volume in, like our under eyes and our cheeks. Kind of help pull up those smile lines as well. It's supposed to help add fat production to the areas that you put it in. And this one will take a little while longer to dry since it is an oil. Alright. Let's see. So now I'm just gonna get this spatula. And get some thicker moisturizer. We'll add this to your skin on top. I know it's a lot of layers, but having a good skincare routine really can change your skin and help it. Now, there is a new trend where people claim, people have been doing this for a long time, that when you top all of your facial products with some Vaseline under spots like your under eyes, that it really helps lock in all those moisturizing products. And really adds a nice glow to your under eye. You're gonna wake up in the next morning and then you'll kind of just, do your regular cleansing and get all that Vaseline off because it is a little gooey. Alright, and going to rub that in right under. Alright, just gonna take another look. Make sure we didn't miss any blemishes, any spots. Alright, and then the last thing that I'm gonna do is apply some tea tree oil spray. It's for acne. Oops. And we're just gonna spot treat with this, okay? Get rid of those blemishes, help to get rid of that bacteria, because tea tree oil is very good at killing bacteria on skin. Okay. Alright, you are all set, and they will help you out at the front desk, okay? Yes, you're welcome to come back. I wouldn't recommend doing a dermatology appointment more than every few weeks, so you can come back in 2 weeks. We can see how this regimen has worked for you, and if it's working good, we can continue this one. If there's anything that you want to change, we can try another one, okay?